Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to check full statistics of printers using of your Brother MFC-J4335DW printer. To do that, you should open the Ambit web server and log in to your printer. Then click here, Home, Status, afterwards use General, and in General you can find maintenance information. Click on it and here you can see all info about your printer. So, for example, total pages printed 137 as you can see, and in this amount 110 color sheets and black and white 27. 6 pages was printed in double-sided mode and color double-sided 3 pages. So as you can see, this is completely new printer in my case. Contact and location. So here, for example, you can add information about your printer, and then when you will fill in this information, anyone who wanna connect with your printer will see your contact data. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye.